An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Hello everyone, myself J. Anandi, an educator from Hindustan College of Engineering and Technology, Coimbatore, and I am much more delighted to line up the concepts of e-commerce and the basic e-commerce platforms. E-commerce is an emerging and then booming field. It reduces the human effort in all critical aspects and then in critical scenarios of human living. It is making the betterment in the human living, thus by enhancing all the facilities and then features in e-commerce. Here we are going to line up the concepts of defining e-commerce, importance of e-commerce, types of e-commerce, pros and cons of e-commerce, applications of e-commerce, the trending platforms of e-commerce. It is a simple presentation for defining e-commerce. E-commerce on the whole is defined as an activity of electronically buying and then selling products online. In addition to that, you can utilize the various services that is provided over internet. It was initially coined by Dr. Robert Jacobson, Principal Consultant to the California State Assembly's Utilities and Commerce Committee. The main aim of the e-commerce is to enhance the facilities and then to make out a better living for human beings. This amazing platform, it is powered by internet, where vast number of customers can access the online stores, browse through the online stores, and then placing the orders through online, purchasing the orders through online. In addition to that, various services will be provided from the seller side. Why e-commerce? E-commerce, it is taking the huge part of economy, and it is also helpful to the businesses to sell their products and services online. In addition to that, e-commerce gives businesses and the ability to reach the most customers than the traditional commerce methodologies. It is also making the people to purchase a product online, and also it is called as a fastest growing retail market. E-commerce offers consumers a more convenient way to make out a shopping and to view the products or services they need to have without even visiting the retailer's physical location. In addition, e-commerce is made available for easy setup. Using this e-commerce methodologies, they can have a better projection of project information. In addition, wide platform has been used for e-commerce to provide and to enhance the business promotions. Here we are having few types of e-commerce that is developing certain business models. Types of e-commerce are business to consumer, business to business, consumer to consumer, consumer to business, business to administration, consumer to administration. Business to consumer, it is focusing on the business perspective view to the consumer, where the consumer can purchase a product through business sectors. Example, Amazon, eBay. Business to business, it is a transaction between one business organization to another business organization. Example, Alibaba. Consumer to consumer business model, it is focusing on the direct communication between one consumer to another consumer. Example, OLX. Through OLX, we used to sell so many products from one consumer to another consumer directly. Consumer to business, so it is a communication model only in the business point of view from the consumer. Example, freelancer, Fiverr, to identify an individual consumer to make out business developments. Business to administrator, or else you can call it as business to government. So a government is taking care of a business through some business personalities This is called business to administration. Example, social security aspects. Consumer to administration or else consumer to government. Consumer is directly connected to the government. Example, online auction systems, electronic tax filing, etc. Applications of e-commerce. You can utilize this e-commerce in the various fields such as retail and wholesale, finance management, manufacturing department, online auctioning, email marketing, online shopping, mobile and web applications, online reservation or booking systems, online publishing such as journals, magazines, books, e-banking or online banking such as mobile banking, net banking, etc. So e-commerce is a main booming field. We'll be enhancing our facilities, people's usage facilities using this e-commerce in a very efficient way. These are all the trending platforms of e-commerce. E-commerce platform, it is a software application, or either it can be a software which is helping the businesses to manage their websites, sales, marketing and basic operations. These e-commerce platforms, it is allowing you to sell the goods and services online very easily. This platform is taking care of online tracking, payment methodologies, refunding procedures, replacement processes in a very effective way. It is also providing the monthly, weekly, yearly reports of profit and loss. So these are all the example e-commerce, open source and then commercial paid free softwares available in the market. Shopify, BigCommerce, Magento, Salesforce, NOP Commerce, Weebly, Wix e-commerce, Equid, WooCommerce. In addition to that, so many e-commerce software platforms are available. Among these given software platforms, only 9 platforms has been explained here. First one, Shopify. It is the first and best e-commerce platform which is listed among all these 27 platforms, which is allowing you to sell the products and services online. It is a mobile friendly platform. It is using the real-time shipping calculations, and then it is effectively supporting the wholesalers and then retailers. It is effectively providing a good customer services. You can incorporate the product star ratings here, and then you can provide the best shipping capabilities. You can integrate this Shopify in Amazon Marketplace also. These are all the facilities that can be done using this Shopify. BigCommerce, it is another open source platform, online platform. It is fully built in HTML, CSS and then JavaScript. It is one of the best online store where you can build your website on WordPress. In addition to that, you can preview the web developed one before publishing it. You can find the multiple channel selling capabilities here. It is also customizable. The SEO can be done in a very easy way using this BigCommerce. Magento, it is also another important e-commerce platform where online merchants can be able to sell their products in a very easy way and flexible way. You can control the content over the internet. You can control the content in a look wise and then functionality wise. You can download or get the reports, analytics using this Magento about your products. You can manage the order and then site management facilities. You can have the international level support for managing your databases in Magento. Salesforce, this is another platform in which you can create a unique, unified, intelligent digital commerce platform. It is also useful for managing B2C transactions, and then you can reduce the abandoned carts with the proven best practices in Salesforce. You can create a data-driven, mobile-driven applications easily in Salesforce. It is fully based on the customer service team. North Commerce. It is a type of e-commerce platform where you can integrate limitless applications and opportunities over the internet. So this is mainly for online store launching. It is having the rich number of built-in functionalities. It is also accepting the multiple vendors multi-store functionalities. It is also offering security requirements for all the businesses. Weebly. This is a well-known website builder. It is also providing various tools, various number of customized templates to create a customized blog for the businesses. Initial stage businesses can be easily developed using this Weebly platform. It is a small scale one. It is using very understandable SEO guidelines. You can change the blog template using this Weebly before developing your websites or platforms. Wix Commerce. Wix Commerce is another open source platform website builder for industry. So this e-commerce builder allows you to drop elements anywhere you want in the web page. So this is used to create a personal blog, portfolio, website, or even an online store. You can make it. More than 500 plus themes and templates are available in the Wix e-commerce. It is also offering the feature for sending and then managing invoices, which will be multilingual. In addition to that, you can track the traffic with the Google Analytics, which is combined with Wix e-commerce. Equid. Equid is another e-commerce platform which is used to sell your services and products in an easy way. It is offering a dashboard to manage your inventories, orders, pricing with respect to project buying and selling. It is the fastest growing online business platform. It is allowing you to control everything from a single dashboard with a centralized management system. It is capable of selling a website, Instagram, Facebook, Amazon, Google, etc. It is offering a push notification also once the order is placed through Equid. WooCommerce is another open source platform. It is very easy to download and then free to install with your WordPress site. It is providing more number of extensions for betterment of your website. It is also integrating commerce with the content. It is built with REST API, and WooCommerce is very scalable and then it is very easy to integrate virtually with any services. It is also adding additional features and then functionalities of your store. It comes with REST API management system for products and their respective orders. Whenever you are using e-commerce for your business developments and for your online data management, it is making the devices and then data in an available manner. The speed of access will be very high. It is made available in a wide way. Easily you can access the data and then consumers. It is having international level reach of lower cost. The site management cost will be very less. You can personalize your site and then you can easily maintain the customers. And in addition to that, you can provide the various product recommendations through online. So the disadvantages of using this e-commerce, you can have the limited customer services. You will not be able to touch or see the product. Wait time may be high. Security is to be considered. That's all about the presentation of e-commerce basics and then e-commerce platform. See you in the next segment. There is no cure for curiosity. Be curious always. Thanks for watching this video.